is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to enable and disable standby on iPhone 12. So let's get into it. Open up your settings and scroll down to standby and select it. Alright guys, standby will turn on when iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, phone frames, or clocks. So to enable it, you switch that toggle on, and then to disable it, you tap it and switch it to the left. And this is to disable it if it's grayed out. Now, of course, you want it enabled, so we switch it back. And yeah, that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.